Before this video starts, the word magnitude pretty much just means how much or the size of. I just wanted to get that out of the way. Alright, getting to the point, a scalar is just a magnitude. So 1, 2, 78,894,337, or 3. Usually these come with units, so 1 inch, 2 feet, 78,894,337 bananas, 3 miles per hour, and so on. Vectors are a little bit more interesting. Vectors are a magnitude and a direction. So, for example, something is traveling at 3 miles an hour in this direction, or whatever direction we are talking about. Most of the time, they're drawn as an arrow pointing in a direction and varying in size according to how big the value is. So, a 6 mile per hour vector compared to a 3 mile per hour vector will be bigger. These vectors are useful because they are ridiculously easy to understand. This is because instead of writing out boring old sentences in a boring old language that's barely understandable anyway, just bam, boom, and then people understand exactly what you're saying. Let's look at an example to make sure you've got this. If I take an object and chuck it, and then from my back pocket I pull out a meter stick and measure how far it went, if I told you I found that it went 239,000 miles, your first intuition might be, wow, that's bigger than one whole football field. But that 239,000 miles is a scalar value. But if I then say that it was 239,000 miles that way, that is a vector value.